Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how I made the brave little Abacus SpongeBob AI cover. So first what you want to do is you have to take the vocals and instrumental and separate them. I just use this site. I'll put the link in the description, but there's many sites for this, so just wait for it.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so as you can see, it is now done, so you can just download these. And then what I like to do first is listen to the vocals first. If there's anything I need to like edit out for the AI and stuff. So I'll do that first, and then I'll show you how to use the AI. Okay, so now we're on the part of doing the AI. So first, you just want to install this first. Just ignore these and then wait for it to install. While you're waiting, go to this Google Sheets. I'll put the link in the description, and then you can get any of these models. We're gonna use the SpongeBob model, so just go here. The main link is usually like it gives you an error since too many people download it, so you can use these alternate links and then just put them there. So we just wait for this, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, when it's done, just download the mods. So wait for this thing to be done, and then we start this thing. Oh yeah, don't worry about any of this stuff, but don't worry about any of these below, just focus on these. Then you click the public URL right here, and then make sure the model is correct. I usually don't play around with these settings, so don't worry about it too much. Then we just take our vocals, wait for it to upload, and make sure the audio is make sure it has the file name of the vocals and stuff, and then press convert here and just wait. Alright, as you can see, it's finished. You can listen to it. Sometimes you just have to like wait for it to load. But yeah.
30 minutes of makeup.
And then you just download the file, and we'll add the instrumental and stuff. And in Audacity, you can use any audio editor for this, but we're just gonna be using Audacity. Alright, so now we're in Audacity. This is what I use most of the time. Sometimes I use FL Studio, but it's just quicker in Audacity pretty much. So what you want to do is drag and drop the files, and then you can just listen to it, see if there's anything you need to like fix.
That old green shows symmetry in front of paddle bones.
You can just like so yeah, it seems fine to me, so I'll just go file, export as MP3, and then I just use the default stuff, so I don't really change the settings, that's up to you. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe.